Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is about to teach the defense lawyers a lesson that they may never forget. Earlier today, the judge inquired with the witness Qiniselani Buthelezi Makimba whether the judge was correct in his understanding that he does not want to answer certain questions being asked by the state prosecutor, Dr. Ronnie Sibanda. And indeed, Qiniselani Buthelezi confirmed that he does not want to answer certain things relating to the alleged statement that was taken by Brigadier Gininda. And Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng reminded Qiniselani Buthelezi that in terms of Section 189 of the Criminal Procedure Act, the judge can conduct a summary inquiry, and after that inquiry, he can sentence him to a period exceeding 5 years in this particular matter. The judge allowed Qiniselani Buthelezi to go and get a legal advice. Now, hoping that Qiniselani will get a proper legal advice and will come back on Friday and say, Ngiyaxolisa Nkosi enkantolo, I never meant to say, I don't want to answer any question. If he doesn't do that, that would have sent a chilling message to the defense that you can't just call witnesses that you think you can confine them to specific testimonies and hope that when the state is starting to cross-examine them on the real issues, you will prevent that, because it is clear Qiniselani was brought in for a specific purpose, and he was most probably advised that don't answer that. From this point, just don't answer. And it backfired. Ratha is taking no nonsense. He is taking no argument, no explanation. He says he has made a decision. The matter has been adjourned up until Friday for Qiniselani to confirm whether he got proper legal advice.